Yo, 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 yo! Welcome to the Food Zone, where we take this journey together, learning recipes as one, aka Batman in the Kitchen. Welcome back to my channel, 2021. Let's take this journey together and get rid of the stress of COVID-19. Peace. Love you. Yeah, in today's cook, we have only a couple items. We have the sirloin steak, garlic butter, yellow American cheese, onion flakes because I had onions but they went bad, and we have these dinner rolls that you can use in so many recipes for sliders. So for today's recipe, we don't have a lot of ingredients, and you can make this really quick at your house. I've been watching a lot of RV life and van life on YouTube. You can make these in your RV or in your van. So let's get started. The cheesesteak sliders today, we're going to be using this Broad Street Naturals. This is really good. It's ready to serve in minutes, and it's shaved sirloin beef steak, and this comes in handy. Like if you want it, you can make a steak hamburger out of these, but we're going to use it for cheesesteaks, and like this is convenient where you can keep it in your refrigerator and use it anywhere, like an RV, van, campsite, but you get the 4 pieces. So we're going to use this in today's recipe. But when it comes to cheesesteak, you can use sirloin, ribeye, whatever you want. It's your cook, your house, your decision. These dinner rolls are really good. The ones we're going to use in the recipe today, they're really soft, and it's a French recipe, dinner rolls. And like I said, these things are really soft, and you can see the quality of them. And these make really good sliders. Like you can make breakfast sliders, cheesesteak, hamburger sliders. You can be creative and make hot dog sliders, which I'll make in the future. But these things are really good, and it makes for good recipes. So just at your local bakery, if you can't get this brand, just look for the French recipe dinner rolls. But we'll be using this in many recipes on YouTube. All right, so we got the garlic butter in there. We're going to take that, and we're just going to melt that down. So let that melt down with your stove on medium. And here's what the steaks look like. The steaks are like hamburger patties, like I told you. So if you wanted to, you could keep this intact, and you could just put them in there and cook them and make them as steak burgers. So this really comes in handy if you live in United States or Canada. I don't get paid promotions, but I like to use different products. So we're gonna melt this garlic butter, and then we're gonna put in these steak patties. But the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break them up when I go to cook them, because I want it loose and I want it like a cheesesteak. Alright, so there's the garlic butter, and like I said, we're going to take these steaks and we're going to place them in there. And the thing I'm going to do is I'm going to break them up. Like I said, if you wanted to make steak burgers, you can. So let me get all these in there, and then I'll break them up and we'll start making the cheesesteak. Alright, so you see the burgers in there. This one ended up breaking up already. So with me, I'm just going to start smashing these. And like I said, I'm just going to cook these down. And once they get a little bit cooked, we'll add the onion flakes, because I don't have the onions. And then we'll throw on that cheese. So I'll be back in a second. Alright, so you can see that I broke that steak down. And it's starting to change colors. Look at the steam coming off there. So we're going to cook that a little bit. And like I said, we'll go to the onion flakes. But you're better to have white or yellow onions. And then we'll throw the cheese on top of that. And then we'll warm the rolls and just plate it. So doesn't take long. And like I said, you could use this recipe for RV life, van life, camping, whatever you want to do. Alright, so that steak is definitely almost there. Now we're going to use the onion flakes. So I'm going to throw some onion flakes in there so we can have the taste of onion. But like I said, it's better to have fresh onion. But my channel's not edited. It is as it is. So so I don't like to change things. So if something happens, we improvise. We make things happen. So be back in a couple minutes when this is done, and we'll put the cheese on there. Alright, so our cheesesteak is done. Like I said, it doesn't take long. So we moved everything to one side, and we're going to take these cheese slices, the ones we grew up with, and we're going to just place them there, and we can put the cover on if we want, or we can just let it slowly melt. But with cheesesteak, there's no right or wrong. You could use American cheese like I showed you, cheese whiz, mozzarella, provolone. Every parts of the United States does different things. So we'll be back with that cheese, and then after that we just take the rolls. We can toast them or not, and we have our cheesesteak. And like I said, I improvised. There's the onion flakes in there, so we still have the onion flavor. It'd be better, like I said, if there was fresh onions in there, but like I said, my channel is not edited. You see what happens, and it's not a perfect world. So be back. Alright, so we're back, YouTube. We got that American cheese on there, and now we're going to turn the stove up between low and medium, and we're going to melt that. Like, I don't feel like using the cover, but if you want it, you could cover it. You could also put water around there and cover it and use steam to melt this. So we're going to just let this slowly melt, and then after that, we're done, and we'll take care of the rolls, and we'll just put it all together. And like I said, this is really, like, if we weren't filming this and talking about it step by step, it would only take you 5 minutes. And it's perfect for RV life, van life, camping, and a busy life with your children. And this gets your children going to try different things, and let them go into the kitchen and cook with you. Alright, YouTube, so there's the cheese. And you got your cheesesteak there. Like I said, Cheese Whiz is a really good thing to use, but use this cheese that you want. Now we have these rolls. Like I said, these make good things for sliders. You can do two things. You can cut this like in half and take the top off and build it, or you can cut them individually. It's all up to you. And if you want, you can put garlic butter in the thing and then warm them in the pan. So it's all up to you. Alright, YouTube, so I decided to use another pan. It's all up to you. But there's the garlic butter in there. There's the steak. I have it on another burner. And here's the rolls. I actually cut them in half. And like I said, you could cut these in half, and then you could load them. And then you put the top on. And then once everything is loaded, you could take the knife and cut everything. So we're just going to give these, if they fall apart, they fall apart. But we're going to give them... We're going to do both sides. So just keep turning them until you get to what you want. If they fall apart, they fall apart. But we're going to do this one, and then we're going to do that one. Alright, so like I said, it doesn't take long to get these brown. Look at that. Now we got the bottoms, and we're just going to turn them. And we're just going to watch the other side. Like I said, if they fall apart, we can still put them together, but keep doing that. We got the cheesesteak warming, and like I said, here's the other thing. Look at the color. We're almost there to plate it, and we eat it. Alright, YouTube, so we're done. Here's the other piece. Look at the color, plus its little charcoal. And here's the top, so we're basically done now. I have that other pan, I'll have to wash it later. And there's the cheesesteak. So we're going to take the cheesesteak, put it on there. We'll flip the top over, and then we'll use a knife to cut everything. Alright, so we're ready to put it together. Here's the bottom. So we got the cheesesteak there. We're going to just take it. Then we'll flip the top on, and then we'll just cut it, and you got your cheesesteak sliders. Alright, YouTube, so there you got it right there. Look at that. Now, can you get anything better? And like I said, you can make it in an RV, a van, a campsite, with your kids, even in school if they allow it. But look how good that is. You can actually just eat it like that. But You can't get any better than that. Alright, so there's the top, and you can see the garlic butter. Now we're going to flip that over, and look, you got like sliders or a big giant sandwich. Alright, so there you got it, your sliders. So the thing you're going to want to do next is take a good knife, cut every square out, and then you have your sliders. Alright, YouTube, so you got it. They're all cut apart. You got your sliders. So this is definitely comfort food. And like I said, if we weren't filming this, it would take you probably like 5-6 minutes. So let's plate it and then we're done. Thanks for visiting my channel. Hit subscribe, hit the bell for updates, and I'll try to bring you 2 uploads a week. Alright, YouTube, so we're done. There's our cheesesteak sliders. And like I said, you can make them in 5 to 6 minutes, and you can make them almost anywhere as long as you have a stove, a flame. But thanks for visiting my channel. We're back for 2021. Many things to come. I'm going to redesign my YouTube. I'm not sure the direction, but it's going to be simple recipes. I'm also going to be bringing you one or 2 times a week, if I can, food blogs, pictures of food from around the world in America and Canada. There won't be like much talk to it, but it'll just be pictures. You can enjoy it on your phone or on your TV. But thanks for visiting my channel. Please subscribe, hit the bell for the updates, and we'll definitely take this journey together. Love you. Peace. God bless.